Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zillow Rent Zestimate for rental pricing decisions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Zillow website. In the search bar, enter the address of the property you want to evaluate. Once the property appears, click on its details. Scroll down to find the Rent Zestimate section on the property page. Note the estimated rent price displayed there. To refine this estimate, click on the Edit button or claim this home option. Fill in details about the property such as number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and square footage. If applicable, add any additional features like a pool or a renovated kitchen. After updating the property details, save your changes. Return to the Rent Zestimate section to view the updated estimate. To further evaluate the pricing, explore nearby rental listings for comparison. Use the filter options to adjust for similar amenities and location. Take note of rent trends in the area by reviewing historical data. Consider how seasonal trends may affect rental prices. Analyze your findings to determine a competitive rental price. Remember to factor in any costs such as maintenance or property management fees. With this information, make informed decisions on your rental pricing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.